How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to set a reminder on Samsung. So there's two ways that you can do it. You can do it through the calendar app or you can do it through the actual reminder app. So I'll show you how to do it through the calendar first. So open up the calendar and then choose the date that you would like to be reminded on, and then press the plus in the bottom right. So that'll bring up the reminder information. You have the title, and then you also have an all day. So that means if it's an all day event or just for an hour, and you can set the time for it. So we'll select 9 to 9:30. And then you also have the option to add a location if you want. And then coming down to the alert, you can be alerted at the time of the event. So the alert would go off at 9 o'clock because that's when the event starts. Or you can have a custom one and be reminded 5 minutes before the reminder. So then you've also got some notes that you can add, and we'll save it. And you'll see 16 is the dentist. So I'll show you how to do it from the actual reminder app. It's pretty much the same thing. In the bottom right, use the plus icon. It brings up the reminder information, so you have the time as well. And then you press here and select which type of notification you want. So whether it's a light notification, which means it's going to be short, or a strong notification, which means a full screen alert and a long sound, so if you really don't want to miss it. The reminder app also has a place function, which means if you allow access, then the reminder will go off when you get to a certain location. So we'll just save it. And that's pretty much it. That's how to set a reminder on Samsung. Thank you for watching.